Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to make doggy t-shirt. Cut the fabric with pattern, back and front, two legs, neck and bottom hem. Here's a back and front piece. This is back. This is neckline, shoulder line, arm line, and side. And these are bottom line. First of all, we saw only shoulder line. Only that much. Right side together and sew up. Again, right side together, pin them to secure and sew only shoulder line. I use my serger, but if you don't have it, use zigzag stitch. I just want to show you I did only shoulder part. Here comes leg part. First of all, hold in half and use the clip to secure, and I just want you to find the center line. Now you attach leg fabric onto the armhole line. First of all, at beginning and end, you match them, and the center line you found, it will be on the shoulder line. Make sure put them right side together. You have to use a little technique here because leg fabric is shorter than arm line. So whenever you sew them together, you have to pull leg fabric towards to you and make sure 3-point has to be matched. Now, one side, shoulder, and leg are done. Now, you have to do the other side. Exactly same method. You have to do shoulder first. Put right side together and sew only shoulder line. Now I'm attaching the other side of leg. Now both shoulder and legs are done, we have to sew side part. First of all, you gotta turn the work inside out. Okay, that's a neckline and leg part. So you gotta sew them straight down. Important part is you have to match armpit, then sew down to the bottom. We are almost done except neck and bottom hem. We start neck first. Neck fabric. Fold in half in lengthway and put both ends, sew them together. And I put the clip evenly, 4 of them, and attach to neckline, right side together. Same as legs, neck fabric is shorter than actual neckline. So whenever you sew them together, you have to pull neck fabric towards to you and sew them evenly. Here comes last part, bottom hem. Fold in half in lengthway and both ends, sew them together and make it circle. Now you attach it to bottom part, right side together. I fold it in half twice and make 4 point. And I did exactly same thing on the hem bottom and match them together. Make sure right side together. This method is exactly same as neckline. Now, I want to mention about the pattern for this doggy t-shirt. Everybody has different size of the dog, and everybody wants to make original t-shirt. So in the future, I'm gonna try to upload how to measure your dog and make a pattern. We are done. Enjoy making your own dog t-shirt. Before you throw your clothes away, make one for your dog. They love it.